You got here just in time because this will be over on December 15th, 2015. If you come back on December 16th, you'll find that this offer is gone. Seriously. So here's what this shortcut is all about. We spent over 5 years creating and perfecting an incredible new invention called the Instant Product Engine, which automates the process of creating your product, your sales letter, your squeeze page, your graphics, and more. In fact, you can do all of the above in under 10 minutes with our new invention. In other words, this is a massive shortcut for creating your own profitable online business, even if you're a newbie, or for adding new income streams to your existing online business. If you think that sounds too good to be true, you absolutely need to keep watching this very short video because I'm going to prove it to you by showing you on screen exactly how this shortcut is going to help you. By the way, in case you've heard of the Instant Product Engine before, please note that this is the new 2.0 version that was just finished this month. My name is Eric Holmlund. There's a picture of me along with my wife and 6 kids during a trip to India. I've been doing business on the internet since 1999. I've made millions of dollars online, and I've helped thousands of people build their online businesses. I've proven that you can make money online for the long term and that you can do it with integrity. We do live the so-called internet lifestyle. It's a blessing. But for me, that doesn't mean driving fancy cars and collecting as many toys as I can fit in my house. I like to give back, and I like to help people as much as possible. In fact, this video today is about helping you. My shortcut may seem mysterious right now, but in a few minutes after I've shown you the raw, uncensored inner workings of this secret project, there will be no mystery anymore. You will fully understand exactly what it is and how you can profit from it. So here we go. It's called the Instant Product Engine. And although it's true that this secret project has been in the works for many years, I've not been the one doing most of the work. I've got a partner on the project whose name is Naveed. In fact, let me introduce you to him right now.
Hey there, this is Eric Holmlund, and I'm in Calcutta, India. And I'm happy to introduce you to my friend and partner on this project, Naveed Pirzadeh. Hey there. And Naveed and I have actually been working together for about 5 or 6 years on the Instant Product Engine. And this is the first time that we've met in person. Right. So it's been a pleasure to hang out in India with him and meet him and his family. And the other reason why I wanted to get together with him was so that you could put a face and name with the Instant Product Engine, because this is the guy that really created it. He's got the brains behind it. He's a genius, actually.
So Naveed and his team are the ones who've been working so hard on this Instant Product Engine over the years. We opened up the Instant Product Engine version 1.0 to the public a couple of years ago, and it was a huge success. Our membership quickly reached its limit, and we closed it to the public. We got great feedback from our customers, and some of our members made a lot of money. In fact, we've had people begging us to reopen the Instant Product Engine for the past year, but we didn't want to just reopen it to let some new members in. We also wanted to make it better than ever. So we've spent another year just improving the Instant Product Engine and spent tens of thousands of dollars on development, and I'm happy to tell you that the end result is just incredible. Naveed is a brilliant programmer and designer, and it's even better than I had imagined. You're going to be amazed when you see what this thing does. The bottom line is, it fulfills a huge need for internet marketers and aspiring online entrepreneurs. What is the need? The need is to have your own product with your own name on it, and to get that product on the internet for people to buy. In order to have the best chance of making a lot of money online, you need your own product, right? The most successful internet marketers all have their own products. The problem is, it's a pain to develop a product, and even more of a pain to get it online with a sales page and a thank you page and an autoresponder and all that good stuff, right? Instant Product Engine solves that problem. Would you like to see how it works? Good, because this is not going to be a sales pitch. This is going to be a show and tell. I'm simply going to show you how it works. Okay, let's do it. Here I am logged into the Instant Product Engine members area. It's a web-based system, and that's great because it means it doesn't matter what kind of computer you have, whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, you can use this system. There's a welcome video from me and Naveed down here. There's a help desk here if you need help. And then there's a page of video tutorials to show you everything you need to know. But as you're about to see from this quick demonstration, the system is pretty much self-explanatory and very easy to use. I'm going to click on the Products tab. Your membership to the Instant Product Engine today includes these 2 products that you can rebrand as your own. And as a member, you'll have the right to acquire additional products from us. So by no means will you be limited to these 2 products, but this is going to get you started today. These products come with full private label rights and resale rights. Private label rights, also known as PLR, means that you can put your own name on the product. You can edit it. You can really turn it into your own product. And resale rights means that you can sell the product as your very own and you can keep 100% of the profits. Okay, so it's your product and your profits. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with these kind of products. Of course, there's no guarantee that you'll make any certain amount of money, but I'll tell you that from my personal experience, it's possible to make a lot of money with it. And this is one of the biggest shortcuts that I've ever found for making money online. So here's the big twist that sets this system apart from any private label rights products that you've seen before and absolutely blows them out of the water. The Instant Product Engine allows you to rebrand the entire product package, including the graphics, using our point-and-click technology. So instead of merely downloading a private label rights product, you're going to be downloading a product that you've personally named, and it will have your name or pen name on it as the author. So let's say, for example, that I want to start with this product here that teaches how to make money from holidays. Obviously, this is very timely. It would be a great product for you to quickly turn around and sell right now to make some extra cash for the holidays yourself. The default title is Cashing In on Holidays. Now, if you've bought any PLR products in the past, then the way it typically works is everyone downloads the same product. So everyone's trying to resell the exact same product with the same graphics and the exact same name, right? Our Instant Product Engine solves that problem. Instead of downloading the same PLR product as everyone else, you'll be downloading your own unique version with your own name on it. I'm going to click the button here where it says Brand and Download. Here where it says first name and last name, it'll be pre-populated with your name from your account. However, you could put in a pen name or a fake name if you prefer. So for this example, we'll just say my name is Eric Tester, and I'll click Next. The product title allows you to completely rename this product. I'll call it Christmas Cash Magnet because Christmas is coming up and this would be a catchy name for people looking to make extra money for Christmas. Then in a couple months, I could come back and rebrand it as Valentine's Day Cash Magnet and market it that way. Now, if this were a normal resale rights product, it would be called Making Money from Holidays and you wouldn't have a choice in the matter. Everyone would be selling it under the same name and competing against each other. But look what happens now if I go over to Google and search for Christmas Cash Magnet. There we go. As you can see, there are 0 results. There are no exact matches. So I could use that product name and have no competition. And that's what you can do for both of these products and any other products that you acquire for the Instant Product Engine in the future. You can come up with your own product names and eliminate the competition. Okay, so back to the product engine. You can also customize the product subtitle. We'll skip it for now to save time. Click Next. And then you can put in your website address. If you don't have a website yet, that's okay. We'll show you how to get set up with one. It's a piece of cake. So for now, I'll just use instantproductengine.com. Click Submit. And as you can see, it says Final Step, Customize Graphics with Instant Graphic Engine. The Instant Graphic Engine is part of the Instant Product Engine, and it's incredibly powerful. What we've created here is a point-and-click interface where you can actually customize the product graphics with your own product name. I'll double-click the words Cashing In On. I'll select the text, and I'll type Christmas Cash. Now the same thing with holidays. I'll select it, and I'll change the text to Magnet. And if I wanted to, I could change the font, I could use various text effects, I could move it, I could rotate it, I could stretch it out, I could even copy the layer. So I'll make this Christmas Cash a little bigger. And I'll move these down a little. We basically took the same tools that we would normally use in Photoshop or some high-end, complicated $700 graphics program, and we built them into our system and made them easy for you to use. Since I'm calling this Christmas Cash, let's get rid of this Halloween pumpkin. I'll just click it and hit the delete button. Same thing with these Valentine's Day hearts. I'll go ahead and move on to the next part of this step. And this will be used to create the various graphics for your product. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing on this one. Change it to Christmas Cash Magnet. Move that over. Christmas Cash. Move that. Fix that. And change that to Magnet. Of course, we could change the subtitle if we wanted to. Once again, I'll get rid of the Valentine's heart and the pumpkin. and I'll change the domain to instantproductengine.com. And I'll click this green submit button in the corner, and it gives us one final confirmation to make sure we're ready to rebrand this product. And you can see now the system is processing the product. It's literally customizing it with my own name and graphics. So when you run the system, it'll be customizing everything with your name and your graphics. All right, it says, congratulations, you've successfully branded Christmas Cash Magnet. Click here to download. So I'm going to click to download the zip file that the engine just created for me. And remember, this is not the same zip file that everyone is downloading. This is a personalized zip file with your customized product in it. I'll go ahead and unzip this file. There are going to be 3 folders within that file that you download. First, we'll look in the HTML site folder. Now, if you are an experienced internet marketer, the main thing you need to know here is that this is a complete pre-made website ready for you to upload. I mean, literally the only thing that actually needs to be done is to add your payment link to the sales page, and you can upload all these files and you're in business. Now, if you're new to this, don't worry about it. We'll show you how to get this website online so you can start making sales. So let's look at this site. The index.html file is the sales page. And the first thing you might notice is my customized graphic here at the top for Christmas Cash Magnet. And that'll be customized with your product name in your subtitle. You'll also see that your chosen name has been automatically added to the sales page. And most importantly, you'll see that you have a professionally written sales letter designed to sell your product. As I scroll through here, you'll notice that your customized product name has been inserted throughout the sales letter. You can see here, introducing Christmas Cash Magnet. And then it's got a picture of the product, again, with your customization. I hadn't even mentioned it yet, but each product is more than just an ebook. It's a digital ebook in PDF format, as well as a worksheet, a checklist, and a process map. As we continue to scroll through this sales letter, you'll find that your custom product name and customized graphics are throughout the entire page. It presents the worksheet, the checklist, and the process map as fast action bonuses, and it builds up the value of your product to an astounding $525 value. Now, you can choose your own price and sell it for whatever reasonable price you think is best, but just think, at $17, you could sell this product all day long. Again, it's got your name inserted here in the order area, and it even generates a signature of your name here down at the bottom of the sales page. And of course, if you want to edit the sales letter and customize it further, you're welcome to do so. One more thing I want to mention about the sales page is that it's fully responsive. This is a huge upgrade that we made for Instant Product Engine 2.0. What this means is that this is going to look good on any size screen, whether that be a computer monitor, an iPad, or even a mobile phone. And you get more than just a sales page. You also get a download page, which, as you can see, has your product name on it and conveniently includes download instructions and a download link for your customers to download your product. And you also get a squeeze page. And this squeeze page is set up to help you build your list and to pre-sell your product if you choose to do so. On this squeeze page, you'll be giving away a free report, which is also included in this package. If you're using double opt-in for your list, you'll want to take your visitor to a confirmation page, and we've included one of those for you too. As you can see, we've got it branded with your product, and then there's a link to take your customer to your sales page at the web address that you specified when you entered your information into the Instant Product Engine. We've also included a confirmation success page. So once your subscriber confirms their opt-in, they'll be taken to this page, which contains the download link for the free report that you're giving them, so you can deliver that on autopilot. And then once again, you've got a link to your sales page. And then lastly, we're including a blank template branded with your custom product, so if you want to add more pages to your site, you can easily do so. The next folder, as I mentioned, is the main product, which contains your customized product for you to sell. The product comes pre-packaged in a zip file, so it's ready for you to upload and sell. Let's look and see what's inside the zip file. The first thing you'll notice is that the files are named with your custom product name, in this case, ChristmasCashMagnet.pdf. So you've got the main ebook, the checklist, the process map, and the worksheet. Let's go ahead and look at the ebook. The front page is, of course, perfectly designed with your product name and web address. The next page has your name as the author. And then you've got an optional link here that goes to the web address of your choice. Again, this is from the information that we entered into the engine. So you could use this to advertise another one of your products, or you could even use an affiliate link here as an extra way of monetizing this product. All right, then you've got the table of contents. You can see here, this is a very thorough ebook. In fact, 127 pages long. Next, you've got the checklist, which is designed to help your customers stay on track and take action so they can really succeed with your product. Then you've got the process map, which you can see here. And lastly, you've got the worksheet. This one is actually 16 pages long. And it's basically like homework, again, to help your customers stay on track and take action so they can really succeed with this product. Okay, and the last folder contains the short report that you're able to give away to build your list and pre-sell your product. If I open up this report, you'll see that it's 15 pages long, and at the beginning and the end of the report is a link that takes the reader to your sales page using the web address that you specified in the Instant Product Engine. Is that awesome or what? Now, before I forget, I need to mention that you're also getting the source files for all these product files that we just looked at. On the same page where we clicked to rebrand this product, there's a link that says Source Files. You can click this link and download a zip file containing all the source files. Let's go ahead and look inside that zip file. You've got the Microsoft Word document for the main ebook, as well as the checklist, the short report, and the worksheet. There's also a source file for the process map, which uses a program called eDraw Max. So if you want to open up any of those files and make your own customizations and changes, you can do that. If you don't have Microsoft Word, you can also open and edit those Microsoft Word documents using OpenOffice, which is a free open source program for Windows and Mac computers. There's one other thing I want to mention here on the product page. We're very open to your feedback and suggestions, so we actually have a feedback form right here next to each product in the members area. For example, if you notice a mistake in the product, you can actually just tell us about it right here and we'll fix it for you. So that's our quick demonstration. It's pretty easy to see how this can really help you in your business. If you're still trying to get your first product set up and online for sale, this will solve it for you. As you've seen, in a matter of minutes, you can have your own product to sell with your own unique product name, with a sales page and a squeeze page, and everything set up and ready to go. If you're already doing business online, this is an instant income stream for you. In a matter of minutes, you can add these new products to your product line. And if you've got existing customers or subscribers, this is like automatic income, right? Just set it up, promote it, and make some sales. The only question now is, how can you gain access to it? Well, after spending 5 years developing this instant product engine, we thought long and hard about how we wanted to sell it and what would be the best way to make it available. We thought about doing some webinars and restricting access to only a limited number of people who signed up for the system through the webinar. And if we went that route, we could easily sell access to the instant product engine for $1,000 or more. Okay, that's not an exaggeration. Like I said, I've made millions of dollars in this business, so I have a pretty good idea of what will sell for what price. So we could do a webinar and I could give a live demonstration of the exact same thing that I just showed you, except on a live webinar I could take the time to go into even more detail and give more examples, and we could sell that at $1,000 or $997 all day long. And in fact, we very well may go that route after this initial 1-week launch, if there are any spots left in this program. In fact, I can guarantee that we'll be closing the doors after the 15th, and if we do decide to open it to more members, they'll have to wait until sometime in 2016. So this is really a very small window of opportunity to get in right now. We actually haven't settled on a final price yet, but we decided to run an introductory special for 1 week only. It's almost Christmas, and this is our Christmas gift for you. For 1 week only, we're opening up the doors to Instant Product Engine for a ridiculously low price. We're doing this only until December 15th. So as of right now, you've arrived here on time and you qualify for our introductory special. But if you wait much longer, it'll be too late. Right now, you can get access to Instant Product Engine 2.0 along with the 2 customizable product packages for only $17. That's a one-time fee. There's no recurring billing on that. I think you would agree that that's an insanely good deal for what we're offering here. After December 15th, the deal's over, and we mean that. If you don't get in during this introductory special, you'll be locked out until at least sometime in 2016. And then if we do open the doors, the price will be at least double or triple what it is right now. And frankly, there's a good chance that we'll end up going the $1,000 route. One other thing I should mention is that we also reserve the right to end this special early. This is a web-based program that we're running on a dedicated server. And if we find that the server starts running too slow, or if it has as many members as we can accommodate, we'll simply close the doors early. So don't wait until the last minute. Grab your spot now while it's available. So it's only $17 during this 7-day special. Just click the order button below the video and you'll be on your way. You'll have almost instant access to the system. We're actually going to email your login information to you with your username and password for the Instant Product Engine, so you don't have to worry about losing it. All right? If you miss out on this 7-day introductory special, you'll be locked out. And if we reopen it, you'll have to pay at least twice as much. And you might have to pay as much as $1,000 or more to join. Or you might get locked out forever because we could just keep the doors closed to new members to ensure that the system's running smoothly for all of our customers. So go ahead and click the order button now, and we'll see you in the members area. Oh yeah, we're also backing it up with a 100% money-back guarantee. You really shouldn't need a money-back guarantee on this because it's pretty straightforward. I mean, I've actually given you a demo of the product in this video, so you know exactly what you're getting. But we're going to go ahead anyway for your peace of mind and back it up with a 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so there's no reason to hesitate. I know you're going to be blown away when you actually use the Instant Product Engine for yourself and start downloading your own products to sell, customized with your name on them. I think you'll agree it was the best $17 you ever invested for your business, and we're truly backing up that statement with a full 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead and click the order button now, and we'll see you in the members area. We're also throwing in an incredible bonus for you today. Along with the Instant Product Engine, we're going to include full access to our Traffic Launchpad. Here's why this bonus fits perfectly with the Instant Product Engine. You're going to have your own product. You've got the sales page, you've got the download page and the squeeze page, basically everything you need to start making money with it. The only other ingredient you need is web traffic. Well, we want to help you with that too, which is why we're including our Traffic Launchpad. The Traffic Launchpad is a training center that takes you through 7 weeks of traffic generation methods that are working right now. These are methods that you can use to get traffic directly to your Instant Product Engine products. This Traffic Launchpad is a $197 value, and you're getting it for free today along with your membership to the Instant Product Engine. So it's $17 for the Instant Product Engine along with the 2 customizable product packages and the Traffic Launchpad bonus. You're getting access to this incredible system that took 5 years to develop and refine. As I've already proven to you in this video, this is a system that can save you weeks and probably months of time and most likely save you thousands of dollars. So don't miss out on it. This is a very limited sale. Only those who grab this package during this 7-day offer will get in at this low price. Once it's over forever. $17 gets you your own products that you can sell, which means that you can profit from this again and again, and you'll download all of it today. Think about it. One sale of one product could make up for the small price that you're paying today. Talk about an easy potential return on investment. So go ahead and click the order button now and claim your membership in the Instant Product Engine. I mean, that's a crazy deal if I ever saw one. $17 for everything I've covered in this video. It's a one-time payment with no monthly fees. You won't have to pay any royalties or anything. You can keep all the money you make, and that's it. We're also going to be supporting you. So if you get stuck or have any problems, we'll be here to help you. In fact, Naveed is the guy running the help desk. And remember, he's the one who invented the Instant Product Engine. So of course, he's going to be able to help you with it.
So, if you go to the help desk and submit a ticket, or if you're submitting some feedback about the Instant Product Engine, it's to this guy right here. He's a real person. And he's a great guy. Happy to know I've been working with him for years now. And I trust him. And I think you're going to really enjoy working with him as well.
So click the order button now, and we'll see you in the members area. Maybe you're wondering if this is really for you. Well, the question is, do you really want to make money online? If you're a newbie, this is definitely for you. When it comes down to it, this is a huge shortcut. If you're a newbie, you can really benefit from a shortcut because it could help you make money sooner. It's a lot of work to create your own products. You have to research the market and then spend a lot of time or money developing your product. Well, we've already done that part for you. These are in-demand products that you can start selling immediately. Remember, this is different from anything you've ever seen before. These aren't merely just PLR products. You're getting access to the Instant Product Engine. And these products that you're getting are designed to be used with our instant product engine. In other words, these will be your own products with your own name on them. So if you're a newbie, yes, this is for you. So go ahead and click the order button now. Now, if you are an experienced internet marketer, this is definitely for you too. If that's you, I'm surprised that you haven't clicked the order button yet because it's so easy to see how you could potentially make money with this package. And for $17, talk about an easy return on investment. You could sell these products to your existing customers or subscribers, or you could sell it as a one-time offer on the back end of one of your other products. Again, one sale is all it takes to make up for your investment today. And remember, you've got the list building components included too, with the squeeze pages and the branded reports to give away. So if you're already an internet marketer, this is definitely for you. So go ahead and click the order button now, and I'll see you on the download page. I hope that you'll use the Instant Product Engine to create a successful business of your own or to enhance your existing online business. Whatever you do, make sure you grab it now because when this 7-day sale is over, it's over for good. Please go ahead and click the order button now. You'll be directed to a secure payment page where you can choose to pay with a credit card or with PayPal. Click the order button now and claim your spot before it's too late. Why not make this a little Christmas present to yourself? It's only $17. All right. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best.